Listen daily and step into your miracle year. A miracle year does not always begin with one big event. Sometimes it begins quietly with one new thought, one brave decision, and one moment when you choose to believe that your life can become better. You may have carried disappointment, fear, stress, or sadness for a long time. You may have wondered when your time would finally come. But this year can become the chapter where you stop living through old pain and begin opening your heart to peace, progress, love, abundance, and new opportunities. Your miracle year is not about waiting for life to become perfect. It is about changing the way you speak to yourself, the way you see your future, and the way you respond to each new day. When you listen daily, positive words can slowly replace doubt with trust and fear with confidence. Small inner changes can lead to powerful outer changes. From the next section, you will begin hearing long, form affirmations created to connect deeply with your emotions. Listen calmly, repeat the words in your mind, and allow them to become part of you. You do not need to force anything. Simply breathe, stay open, and let this be the beginning of a year filled with beautiful change. I am ready for a new beginning, and I allow myself to believe that better days are coming. I release the weight of the past, the pain I have carried, and the fear that life will always remain the same. I understand that my past experiences have shaped me, but they do not have the power to control my future. I am entering a new chapter with a calm heart, a clear mind, and renewed hope. I am open to opportunities that support my growth, peace, happiness, and success. I trust that each day is guiding me closer to the life I truly desire. I no longer need to doubt my worth or question whether I deserve good things. I am worthy of love, respect, abundance, healing, and meaningful change. I give myself permission to dream again, to hope again, and to move forward without fear. Even when I cannot see the full path, I trust that the next step will become clear at the right time. I welcome new ideas, helpful people, unexpected blessings, and beautiful experiences into my life. This is the beginning of my miracle year. I choose to notice progress, celebrate small victories, and remain open to possibilities. My life is changing in positive ways, and I am becoming stronger, calmer, and more confident every day. I believe my life can improve, even when change is not yet visible. I understand that every new beginning starts within me. The thoughts I repeat each day shape the way I feel, the choices I make, and the future I create. I am learning to replace fear with hope, doubt with trust, and worry with calm confidence. I no longer expect the worst. I allow myself to believe that something good can happen for me. I trust that I am not stuck. I am growing, learning, and becoming stronger through every experience. The difficult moments I faced did not destroy my future. They taught me what I need, what I deserve, and what I am ready to leave behind. I choose to focus on progress instead of perfection. Even a small positive step can take me closer to a better life. I believe that new opportunities can find me. I believe that my heart can heal My mind can become peaceful, and my dreams can become possible. I do not need to understand every detail right now. I only need to keep moving with faith. My life is not finished changing. Better days are still ahead of me, and I am ready to receive them. I release the fear that has kept me from moving forward. I let go of the old thoughts that tell me I am not ready, not worthy, or not capable. These thoughts do not define me, and they do not decide what my future will become. I am stronger than the pain I have faced, and I am wiser because of everything I have survived. I no longer need to carry every disappointment into a new day. I forgive myself for the times I doubted my own power. I release the need to control every result, and I stop expecting the past to repeat itself. I understand that a new life requires a new way of thinking. I choose peace instead of fear, courage instead of hesitation, and trust instead of constant worry. The limits I once accepted are beginning to fall away. I am free to make new choices, create new habits, and believe in new possibilities. I do not have to remain the person I was during my hardest moments. I am allowed to grow, change, and begin again. Each day, I become more open, more confident, and more willing to step toward the life that is waiting for me. I am open to blessings that arrive in ways I did not expect. I release the belief that good things can only come through one path or one perfect plan. Life can surprise me with new opportunities, helpful people, peaceful solutions, and beautiful changes. I do not need to know exactly how everything will happen. I only need to remain open, hopeful, and ready to receive. I welcome love, support, success, healing, and abundance into my life. I trust that something better can appear even after disappointment. A closed door does not mean my journey is over. It may be guiding me toward a place that is more peaceful, more meaningful, and more suited to the person I am becoming. I allow myself to notice the good that is already around me. I appreciate every small sign of progress, every kind word, every new idea, and every moment of peace. These simple blessings remind me that life is still working in my favor. I am ready for unexpected happiness. I am ready for opportunities that feel right. I am ready to receive more than I once believed was possible. My heart is open, my mind is calm, and I trust that beautiful things can enter my life at any moment. I create peace within myself before I look for peace outside of me. I understand that a miracle year is not only about success, money, or new opportunities. It is also about waking up with a calm heart, feeling safe in my own mind, and knowing that I can handle whatever comes my way. I no longer allow every small problem to take away my peace. I give myself permission to slow down, breathe deeply, and release the pressure to have everything figured out. I do not need to solve my whole life today. I can take one step at a time and trust myself along the way. My mind is becoming quieter, my heart is becoming lighter, and my emotions are becoming more balanced. I choose thoughts that support me instead of thoughts that exhaust me. I speak to myself with patience, kindness, and understanding. when worry appears, I remind myself that I am safe in this moment. When fear rises, I return to my breath and choose calm again. Peace is becoming my natural state. I protect my energy, respect my needs, and make space for rest. No matter what is happening around me, I can return to the quiet strength within me. This inner peace is guiding me into a healthier, happier, and more beautiful year. I recognize my worth, and I no longer allow fear or past rejection to make me feel small. I do not need to prove myself to everyone. My value is already within me. I deserve to be treated with love, respect, kindness, and honesty. I deserve opportunities that support my growth and relationships that bring peace into my life. I trust myself more each day. I believe in my ideas, my abilities, and the strength I have gained from every challenge. I stop comparing my journey to the lives of others. Their path is not my path, and their timing is not my timing. I am allowed to move at my own pace and still create a beautiful future. I speak with confidence, make choices with courage, and stop hiding the person I am becoming. I am worthy of happiness, success, abundance, and meaningful experiences. I no longer settle for less because I am afraid that nothing better will come. I trust that what is right for me will respect my worth. Confidence grows every time I choose myself. I stand taller, think more positively, and move forward with greater belief. I am ready to take my place in the life I once only dreamed about. I trust the timing of my journey, even when life feels slow or uncertain. I understand that not every change happens where I can see it. Some progress is quiet. Some answers take time. Some doors open only after I have grown strong enough to walk through them with confidence. I do not need to rush what is meant to develop naturally. I release the fear that I am falling behind. My life is not late, and my dreams have not forgotten me. I am moving at the pace that is right for me. Every lesson, delay, and unexpected turn is helping me become wiser, calmer, and more prepared for what is coming next. I trust that what belongs in my life will arrive at the right time. I do not need to force people, opportunities, or results. I can take positive action while still allowing life to unfold. When something does not happen immediately, I choose patience instead of doubt. I may not see the full picture today, but I believe that my path is becoming clearer. Everything I am learning now has a purpose. I remain hopeful, steady, and open. My miracle year is unfolding step by step, and I trust that each step is leading me exactly where I need to be. I choose to live as the person I am becoming. I do not wait for everything to change before I begin thinking, speaking, and acting differently. I carry myself with courage, gratitude, discipline, and hope. Each day, I make small choices that support the peaceful, confident, and successful life I want to create. I speak to myself with kindness. I take care of my mind, my body, and my energy. I give my time to habits that help me grow, and I slowly step away from anything that keeps me connected to fear, doubt, or the past. I understand that small actions may seem simple, but when I repeat them daily, they can create powerful change. I am becoming more focused and responsible for the direction of my life. I keep the promises I make to myself. I take one meaningful step, even when I do not feel completely ready. I celebrate my progress instead of only noticing how far I still have to go. The person I want to become is already growing within me. With every positive thought, brave choice, and grateful moment, I move closer to my new life. I am no longer only dreaming about my miracle year. I am living it, creating it, and stepping into it every day. Your miracle year begins with the choices you make today. Keep listening to these words, keep believing in your growth, and keep taking small steps toward the life you truly desire. You do not need to have everything figured out. You only need to remain open, hopeful, and willing to move forward. Trust that every positive thought, peaceful moment, and brave decision is helping you create a better future. Carry these affirmations with you throughout your day. Let them remind you that you are worthy of love, peace, success, healing, and beautiful new opportunities. Your past does not decide your future. A new chapter is opening, and you are ready to step into it with confidence and trust. If these affirmations brought you peace and hope, please like this video. Share in the comments what you are ready to welcome into your miracle year. Send this video to someone who may need these healing words today. And subscribe to the channel for more healing and empowering affirmations. Keep believing, keep growing, and remember that your miracle year is already beginning.